Schon, aber I deleted the file.
Okay. True.
Thank you.
No problem. Okay. Congratulations, you fixed it.
This is the fastest powerbook. As you can see, it can play high definition content quite well.
How much will it be in those
Sorry?
How much will it be? The upgrade from
Probably nothing if you already have a key.
Okay.
At least there is no plan to make it a paid update. Well, not everything works yet, but the basic functionalities like the touchpad, or like I showed, the screen illumination, that's already done. There's network support. It's basically the same driver as the PowerMac uses, and it's really fast. That's the machine that has DDR2 memory, and the fastest pass.
Hey, Jessica. Yeah? That's not your responsibility. Okay.
Ja. Oh, ich komme da gar nicht hin.
Touchpad supports some basic tapping functionality, like on the MorphOS. You can tap with the fingers for a right click. Anyway, if you have any questions or want to play with it, feel free.
Ist denn was